You are there, ladies and gents, how's it going? I'm just heading over to T North East. It's one of my local bike shops. They've got my Kineo rear wheel in for my V7, which they've been repairing. They caused a little bit of damage to it when they were refitting the wheel or fitting the tyre, I'm not sure which. But yeah, they've apparently finished repairing it, so I'm off to pick that up, and it will be nice to get the V7 back into one piece so I can start prepping it for its MOT, which I believe is due shortly. But that's not really why I am bringing you along with me, although any excuse to get the cameras out at the moment is very, very appreciated, just because I'm just not able to get out on the bike as much, and my only other rides I'm doing are either to work or to Tesco's, and it's nice to have a little bit of variety. So yes, what else are we doing here? I just want to introduce you to a really awesome brand new channel. Well, it's not that new actually, but it's one of my favourite, and it's also one of the smaller ones that I follow as well. It's only got about 200 subscribers at the moment, and it really, really, really deserves to have more. And I can't believe it hasn't had that yet. So anyway, who is it? It's Shoogly Shed.
Keep that bike. Rubber side down.
The chap's name is Euan. He's a really lovely bloke based up in Scotland, and it's mainly him sitting in his shed customising motorcycles and rebuilding engines and stuff like that. Now what I'll do is I'll put a link to one of his first videos in his current build series at the end of this video, and also a link to his channel and stuff like that down below and at the end as well, because I really do think his channel is very much worth watching, and while we've all got a little bit of extra time on our hands, why not spend it supporting a good channel, helping them to grow a little bit more. Now, not all of us are into spannering videos, and not all of us are into 500cc twins, but that doesn't mean it's not worth having a look at. The way he puts his videos together is so professional, and it's so down to earth. He's learning as he goes with the spannering stuff, but he does it incredibly well. He's a proper nice guy. He's got Instagram as well, so do follow that too. I'm going to be sticking a couple of his stickers on my top box, or at least one of my side panels, because my top box I think is pretty full at the moment. I don't know, we'll have to see how we get on. But yeah, he's a lovely bloke. Please do go and check him out. Yeah, I can't recommend him enough. I mean, I do like some of the larger channels. I mean, Spicy 110 and all that sort of thing, Shade Tree Surgeon and stuff like that, and I watch an awful lot of motovloggers. I think I subscribe to about 200 channels currently, but Shoogly Shed is the one that I go to first. If he's got a video on, it's what I want to be seeing. So yeah, you'll like it. I think you'll like it. Anyway, that's about it really. Nice little short one for you. I don't want to bore you with rubbish rides. Yeah, bloody lockdown, eh? Bloody lockdown. I don't know how long this is going to go on for, but I do hope that I can keep getting content out to you, even if it's just little video shorts like this. But anyhows, I'm just about at T North East now. Well, I'm hoping that they are going to have a very shiny wheel for me to put back onto my V7. So anyway, if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button, go and subscribe to the Shoogly Shed as well, and if you like this video, give it a little thumbs up. If you already follow Shoogly Shed, give it a little thumbs up. If you like videos, if you like motorcycles, if you like T North East, if you like anything, give it a little thumbs up. And you can always give it a little thumbs down if you don't, and you smell a cabbage away and all that stuff. But anyway, whatevers. Anyway, you ride safe, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep that bike. Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike. Rubber side down.
Right, well, we have a wheel, and it looks like they've done a nice job of repairing it, so I'm happy with that. Now I've got to get it back on the bike without scratching it. Anyway, thank you T North East. Like I say, I don't really care if a business makes a mistake, it's how they fix it. That's what counts.